Well, during this pandemic, one local fire company says call volume is actually down, likely because of new restrictions on the public and social distancing guidelines. Our team coverage continues now with Rachel Carden, who's explaining why changes are still being made every day to ensure the safety of the firefighters, the EMTs, and you at home. Rachel.
That's right, Denise. EMTs say the fewer calls they get, the less chance they have of contracting the virus and, of course, of spreading it. Now, we are hearing that 32 officers at the Baltimore County Police Department now have to self-quarantine because 2 officers there tested positive. Across departments, we're hearing that policies and protocols are being changed and strictly followed to keep everyone safe. The coronavirus outbreak has sparked new policies for the Pikesville Volunteer Fire Company, like daily temperature checks and constant sanitation of equipment.
Again, this is all unprecedented. I've been a nurse for 26 years and in the fire department for 29. I've never seen anything like this.
Kathleen Resnick is not only the president of the fire company, but a registered nurse at a local hospital where things are ramping up.
We are prepared for a large influx, as I'm sure most of the area hospitals are, so on that front we're good.
Resnick says while hospitals are getting busier, call volume here is down. She says much of that can be attributed to people following social distancing guidelines and staying home. And if you are stuck at home, the Pikesville Volunteer Fire Company wants to educate you and entertain you. Just tune in this Wednesday at 12:30 on their Facebook page.
We were talking about putting the ladder up in the air and going up 100 feet view of Pikesville. We have Hearst Jaws of Life, cutter spreader tools. We could always take those out. So we really were opening up to the community to let us know what they want to see.
Normally the fire company would allow visitors, but COVID-19 has put a stop to that as well. So the internet is where they can communicate with you. The volunteers in Pikesville say no matter how long the pandemic lasts, they will still be there to answer the call for service and protect the community they love, asking you at home to hang in there and stay positive.
The Americans rise up, and I think that that's what we're trying to do here and lead by example, and I think that we look to the community to do the same. And so.
Let's go back to that Facebook event. So if you are a little stir crazy, you have some kids at the house who maybe need some entertainment, you can reach out to the Pikesville Volunteer Fire Company on their Facebook page to tell them what you want to see during that Facebook Live on Wednesday. We have it linked to our website, WJZ.com. I'm Rachel Carden, live in Pikesville.